In the agriculture domain, continual advancements are pivotal for a future where agricultural machinery evolves beyond a mere tool into a collaborative partner in action. Let's delve into cutting-edge technologies, these advanced stars that propel agriculture to unprecedented heights. They are not merely machines, they stand as allies in the prosperity of agriculture. From October to March, Harvest White Radishes annually marks the radish harvesting season, a period when numerous radishes undergo processing to become the beloved preserved dried radishes, a widely favored seasoning in Taiwan. Turnips are typically sown either in spring or fall. However, it is crucial to harvest the fall crops before the onset of severe freezes. Interestingly, these crops tend to develop a sweeter flavor when subjected to mild frost. To ensure the quality of your turnip harvest, it is essential to pull them all before the arrival of harsh freezes. The Arco plant traces its roots back to southern Europe, characterized by its thorny, herbaceous nature. It stands as a perennial presence, belonging to the chrysanthemum family. This plant thrives in temperate and subtropical climates. Watermelon plants are renowned for their sweetness, juiciness, and refreshing taste, especially on scorching summer days. Comprising over 92% water, they serve as a delicious and hydrating solution for those seeking relief from the sweltering heat. The acai palm tree is renowned for its rare and delectable fruits, packed with antioxidants, essential amino acids, and omegas. These fruits are commonly utilized in energy-boosting beverages, weight loss products, cholesterol-lowering supplements, and more. The Valina orange tree thrives best in consistent temperatures ranging from 15 to 23 degrees Celsius, both day and night. Similar to other citrus trees, the Valina orange tree also requires ample sunlight, ideally receiving at least 6 hours of full sun each day. Did you know, folks, that pineapples are aggregate fruits? This means that a pineapple can consist of a cluster of flowers, ranging from 100 to 200, that fuse together. That's why the outer skin of a pineapple has inedible eyes. The wide V-belts ensure a seamless transition onto the carrier, and from there, the carrier's centrally positioned rotating axis guarantees a uniform transfer to the brushes. The tree removal machine, featuring a robust hydraulic arm and a rotating cutting attachment, navigates smoothly to the designated tree. It firmly grasps the tree, ensuring its complete removal. The apple harvester incorporates sweeping brushes and a conveyor belt that guides apples into a storage chamber as it moves along. It efficiently gathers apples along its path. Farmers may not see the need for machinery in the harvesting process, considering the scale of their cultivation. However, a hydraulic small-scale corn harvester has proven to be a versatile machine, conquering steep hillsides. Luscious grapes are picked to craft fine wines and juices, delivering the exquisite flavors bestowed upon humanity by nature. A myriad of pumpkin varieties exists, each boasting distinct characteristics in terms of size, shape, color, texture, and flavor. Among these, the sugar pumpkin is the most prevalent for culinary purposes. When harvesting cauliflowers, they exhibit a dark green color and a tight structure, resembling compact trees commonly found in grocery stores. Although the heads may be slightly smaller, ensure the buds are tightly closed. The Hodinsky Incorporated, in Innisfil, Ontario, Canada, a state-of-the-art onion harvester, adeptly gathers 3 rows simultaneously. In the United States, soybean harvesting epitomizes precision agriculture. The Puma Big Green AVR potato harvester adeptly digs and harvests potatoes, employing advanced technology to streamline the process and exemplifying modern innovation in agricultural machinery. In limes, citrus frosts prevalent in tropical regions globally manifest in diverse varieties, such as key lime, Persian lime, and Kaffir lime. The timing of blackberry harvest varies significantly based on the climate in which they are cultivated. Blackberries exhibit high tolerance in both heat and frost, making them adaptable to cultivation in a wide range of climates. The cucumber processing line stands out for its efficiency and modernity. Determining the optimal time to harvest oranges is a critical step in the harvesting process. Selecting the right harvest season is paramount. Harvesting at the wrong time can result in unripe citrus fruits. The method of harvesting potatoes varies based on the scale of production. It could involve using a spading fork, a plow, or commercial potato harvesters that unearth the plant and remove soil from the tubers through shaking or blowing. Ensuring the avoidance of bruising or other injuries during harvesting is crucial, as these can serve as entry points for storage diseases. This machine is often used in land clearing and forestry operations to remove unwanted vegetation. It helps enhance land management and reduce the environmental impact of land clearing. The grass and weed root excavator machine is an essential agricultural equipment designed for uprooting unwanted plants and weeds from the soil. It plays a crucial role in maintaining the health and vitality of crops. This harvester is a vital piece of equipment in modern agriculture. It is specifically designed to efficiently harvest corn kernels from the cob, streamlining the process and increasing productivity. This is the first time I saw this machine. I don't think these goats can eat cactus. The donor meat cutting robot is a revolutionary technology in the food industry, particularly in the preparation of traditional doner kebabs. These oranges will be washed through this water channel, then lifted to the sterilization section using nozzles that spray a liquid to preserve the natural coating of the oranges. Subsequently, this conveyor will carry the oranges for sorting based on their quality levels. Welcome to California, where celery is cultivated year-round. The celery fields extend like a vibrant green sea, adorned with rows of tall and robust celery plants, creating a lively and fresh landscape. Combining technology with the expertise to operate it, raised beds represent a more traditional method for strawberry farming. This approach typically involves lower setup costs, requiring less technology and expertise. Additionally, it leverages natural resources efficiently. They harvest approximately 15 to 30 bags like these each day. After filling the bags, the farmers gently pour out the apples, meticulously removing stems and leaves. The water trenching machine is a specialized piece of equipment designed for efficient trench excavation. It plays a crucial role in saving time and labor while ensuring safety and maintaining quality standards during construction and other relevant operations. The specially designed par potato harvester is a game changer, enabling the efficient harvest of tons of potatoes in just 1 hour. Incredible innovation for increased productivity. Packing cranberries is a crucial step in the post-harvest process to ensure their freshness and quality for consumers. It helps protect the berries from damage and maintains the best quality. The cotton harvester impresses with its efficient collection of cotton fibers, transforming the industry and boosting productivity and sustainability. The egg collection conveyor significantly reduces the manual labor required for egg collection, increasing efficiency and ensuring that eggs are handled gently to maintain their quality. The careful and swift peach harvester is a brilliant innovation in agriculture, revolutionizing the harvesting process for efficient and meticulous fruit collection. In the vineyards of Central California, the deep green grape leaves serve as an ideal backdrop for the rich purple grapes that blanket the entire vineyard. The Novatech production line seamlessly incorporates cutting-edge technologies, including sensor systems, intelligent sorting machines, automatic washing systems, high-quality brushes and polishers, precise electronic scales, and automated packaging solutions. Double trouble for pests. Dual pesticide sprayers defending the crop against invaders. The citrus fruit washing conveyor belt is meticulously cleansing the fresh limes before they are processed. The high-speed sugarcane harvester moves swiftly, almost as if it's gliding across vast sugarcane fields, ensuring quick and precise harvesting. The fine-field blueberry harvester incorporates cutting-edge technology to identify and harvest blueberries without causing harm to the plants. Featuring adjustable settings, farmers can customize the harvester to match specific soil and crop conditions, ensuring flexibility in its operation. Let's marvel at the captivating process inside a California orange processing plant. Witness the meticulous steps of cleaning, sorting, and thoughtfully packing ripe oranges into boxes and bags, guaranteeing the utmost quality and freshness in every citrus delight. The corn harvester efficiently collects corn plants for cattle feed, ensuring a rapid and effective process to meet the nutritional needs of livestock. The fertilizer spreader machine is a key agricultural tool used to evenly distribute fertilizers, seeds, or other granular materials over fields, gardens, or crops. The 4-stack grass bale collector is a specialized machine used in agriculture to gather and collect grass or hay into bales. It reduces the labor and time required for manual grass collection and contributes to improved efficiency in agriculture. The cabbage harvester adeptly collects crops, demonstrating its proficiency in simplifying the cabbage harvesting process. Sugar is harvested from sugar beets, root vegetables that thrive in cool climates, and sugarcane, a tall tropical grass that can grow up to 20 feet. Both sugar beets and sugarcane serve as primary sources of sugar due to their high sucrose content among all plants. The onion harvest is like a culinary treasure hunt, bringing forth the flavorful bounty from the soil. This rice pesticide sprayer is like a guardian protecting the rice paddies from harmful pests. Take a look at these olives, perfectly sorted to select the best quality ones. This advanced technology enables the efficient harvesting of strawberries, regardless of the time of day, contributing to enhanced productivity and flexibility in farming. This is the organic lettuce harvesting process in an Arizona field. Approximately 75,000 acres in Arizona are dedicated to growing lettuce every harvest season. Amazing! This watermelon field seems to stretch endlessly. Fish farming necessitates maintaining a stable water environment, providing quality food suitable for the fish species, and adhering to a consistent feeding schedule to ensure health and growth. Thousands of newly hatched chicks undergo health checks and vaccinations upon arrival. The eligible chicks are then treated with infrared technology for optimal care. Large-scale farms prioritize significant trimming to ensure the well-being of the chicks. Observe the Guardian box loader efficiently loading cabbages. While its harvest cabbages capability extends to handling various crops effortlessly, with the cushion lock system in place, it ensures a gentle handling of crops, loading them directly into boxes ready for cold storage. The venom prawn harvesting is truly remarkable. This plow, with its large blade, can dig deep into the earth, preparing it for planting. This lime spreading machine is like a painter, giving the field a fresh coat of lime for better crop growth. This sugar beet harvest is like uncovering sweet treasures hidden beneath the soil. This corn harvesting machine is like a hungry giant, devouring rows of corn with incredible speed. In contrast to most of their well-known relatives, sugar beets boast a creamy white color and are often significantly larger. They resemble gigantic potatoes with pointed ends. The harvesting of Alaska king crab takes place in the fall in the waters of Alaska and the Bering Sea Islands. It's the most lucrative fishing activity, yielding hundreds of thousands of dollars in income for each fishing trip. Using a conveyor belt for harvesting bell peppers is an efficient method for swiftly transporting them to the packaging plant, preparing them for distribution to the market. In 2021, soybean production in the United States reached 135 million tons. Approximately 78% of soybeans are utilized for animal feed, with poultry being the largest consumer of soybeans. The process of harvesting the Densuk watermelon, the world's most expensive watermelon variety grown in Japan, involves preparing for the new watermelon crop. The seeds are incubated in the nursery for 2 weeks before being planted in the field. Raspberries enjoy popularity in various countries, characterized by their round shape and orange-yellow color. These sweet and fragrant fruits are commonly consumed fresh or incorporated into smoothies, juices, and various desserts. This is a fish farming video showcasing the fishermen in the village demonstrating the most unbelievable fishing simulation for ornamental fish farming. This machine is like a waterway caretaker, cleaning channels and enriching fields with nutrient-rich mud. This grass compactor is like a heavy-duty press, compressing grass into neat, compact rows. Do you have any idea why they decided to cut these tulip bulbs? No words can describe this beauty anymore. When grapes are ripe and ready for harvest from the vineyard, it's crucial to time the harvest correctly. Picking grapes at the right moment is essential to achieve the desired flavor, sugar, and acidity levels in the final product. The sweet potatoes here are also packed into wooden crates, and then trucks arrive to deliver them to the factory for packaging. Presently, Mississippi holds the third position in sweet potato production in the United States. In 2021, cranberry production in the United States reached 7.9 million barrels, with each barrel weighing approximately 100 pounds. With everything prepared, billions of cranberries will be loaded onto trucks. In pumpkin patches, families come together to gather the fruits of their labor and forge lasting memories. This hands-on approach to harvesting guarantees the freshest produce and offers a healthy and enjoyable activity for everyone involved. Provide nourishment for the fingerlings. Each small fish should consume approximately 3% of its body weight daily. The fish tend to eat more as the water temperature increases. In Washington, prior to packaging, apples undergo washing and disinfection. Presently, approximately 25.9% of fresh U.S. apples are exported to various countries. Asian and Middle Eastern nations frequently serve as destinations for U.S. apples. This is the continuous harvesting process on a tomato farm in Ohio. Millions of tomatoes are picked by these workers and poured into the bin of this tractor. Embark on the avocado adventure. Marvel at the cutting-edge machinery transforming these green gems into market-ready perfect productions. It's a dance between nature and technology. This indoor sweet corn production line works like a well-tuned instrument, crafting delicious corn with unmatched precision. Look, this soybean harvest is like reaping a nutritious harvest for future culinary delights. Now I have an answer for how raisins are collected. Cranberry production in the United States has reached 7.9 million barrels, each barrel weighing 100 pounds, contributing to this impressive output. Currently, Wisconsin leads the nation in cranberry production, boasting 4.9 million barrels. I prefer using pruners to cut the melon stems, though some opt to break them off. Watermelons require careful handling, as do the vines, especially if you plan on returning for another harvest. Explore the captivating process of catching and processing king crab in one of the short videos from a series that unveils the mysteries behind everyday occurrences. Harvest sweet potatoes. This machine is employed for harvesting sweet potatoes in Mississippi. Its primary function is to dig up all the sweet potatoes from the ground and subsequently separate the vines. Have you ever tried California raisins? Share your thoughts on their taste. Natural seedless raisins are among the most sought-after raisins in the market today. In fact, They make up nearly the entire raisin production in California. Clad in spines and concealing a vibrant, rich pulp, the cactus fruit pitaya, a variant of dragon fruit, holds the power to shape the economies of entire towns in Mexico. During the growing season in 2021, California dominated pistachio production, exceeding 1 billion pounds, which accounts for 98% of the country's total output. The remaining 2% of the U.S. pistachio production is spread across multiple farms in Arizona and New Mexico. Australian authorities have apprehended the largest fishing vessel in the world. This vessel surpasses all others in terms of size and capacity. This mixing and spreading machine is like a chef preparing a delicious feast for the farm's hungry inhabitants. Watching this grass-cutting machine at work feels like witnessing a green makeover for the field. This tree root grinder is like the dentist of the forest, ensuring a clean and healthy ecosystem. In the greenhouse, this sprayer is like a guardian protecting the berry bounty within. This fertilizer spreader is like a farmer's artist, carefully nourishing the soil with precision strokes. This conveyor line efficiently peels the pine seeds, revealing their inner treasures. How efficiently this machine gathers the corn from the field during harvest. It's crucial to handle onions with care to prevent bruising, as bruised bulbs are more prone to storage rot. You can lift onions either by gently pulling them by their foliage or by pushing them up with a garden fork inserted below the bulbs. When cultivating cucumbers for seed extraction, it is essential to let the fruit grow considerably larger compared to when harvesting for immediate consumption. As the cucumber matures, a noticeable change in color will signify that the seeds have reached full maturity and are primed for collection. In the state, 233,000 acres are dedicated to tomato cultivation, representing 56% of the nation's total tomato growing area. This efficient harvesting machine ensures that billions of tomatoes are loaded onto trucks by each of these harvesters. In recent years, ornamental pomelo cultivators have developed unique secrets to create pomelo trees with abundant fruits. These techniques allow for the grafting of as many fruits as desired, depending on individual preferences. For fish feeding in a fish farm, ensure quality feed, maintain a regular feeding schedule, monitor the amount of food to avoid overfeeding, and preserve a clean water environment. In New York, apple production has reached 1.37 billion, while in Pennsylvania, it totaled approximately 656 million, as per estimates from the United States Department of Agriculture. September marks the annual raisin harvest, benefiting from the dry and hot weather conditions ideal for drying. Billions of grapes are picked and left to sun-dry. Harvesting oysters typically involves using nets placed on the seabed or oyster farming technologies. The careful selection of suitable locations and the efficient management of harvesting techniques play a crucial role in effective oyster harvesting. The process of preparing bonito involves selecting fresh fish, cleaning, portioning, and seasoning. Subsequently, the fish is either grilled, fried, or steamed based on taste preferences and intended use. Feeding eels requires the use of high-quality foods such as fish pellets and worms, along with maintaining a clean water environment. Ensure the food provides sufficient nutrients to support the health and growth of the eels. I have never seen so many fish like this before. Processing oysters in the factory typically involves steps such as cleaning, shucking, and quality selection. Utilizing professional processing equipment ensures the production of high-quality oyster products. Thank you for joining us in the exploration of the marvels of agricultural technology with TD Farm. If these cutting-edge agri-machines have made an impression on you, share your thoughts in the comments section below. Don't forget to subscribe for more captivating insights into the world of agtech. Your active participation fuels our curiosity.